Hey, I'm Becky from Rebel Fit. Can you eat healthy on a budget? Sometimes that's one of the reasons that we give for not making good choices. Can't afford it. So let's talk about a few things that can make healthy eating more affordable. Something that's important in the diet is protein, and if you are a meat eater, there are some very expensive cuts of meat. But the more prepared that your meat is, the more expensive it's going to be. So consider doing things like buying your chicken with the skin on and the bone in. You can take the skin off yourself. You can take the bones out yourself. It costs you less money that way. You can buy larger portions of meat at the butcher block and have them cut up rather than getting just the specialty cuts already prepared for you. Or you can do things like wait for the sales, buy things that are frozen, and keep them in your freezer until you're ready to use them. Those are all ways that you can save some money on your food budget. What about produce? The best option is going to be the fresh stuff, but that also can cost more, especially if you're somewhere where the produce is being shipped in. So things that can bring the cost of your produce down would be not buying the stuff that's already cut up or portioned. You can buy a full head of broccoli and you can cut it up into little pieces yourself, or you can buy the carrots that are full size and peel them and cut them up. Celery is awesome. If you chop it up and keep it in cold water, it's really, really nice and crisp. You don't have to get it already done that way. And you can save money if you do those kinds of things, if you take a little prep time yourself. You don't have to prep your food every single day. You can do it a couple times a week. Food lasts well in the fridge, and then you can have it to eat when you're ready for it. If you spend a lot of money going out to eat, consider backing off of that so that you have a little more money to eat at home. The foods that you prepare yourself are definitely going to be better for you, and then that allows you a little more latitude in the choices that you make for your healthy food budget. Processed food, packaged food can be really cheap, but it's only cheap monetarily. It's not cheap for your system. Your body needs quality foods, but especially things that give you enough of the macronutrients, the proteins, the fats, and the carbs that you need. And things that have fiber in them, things that are whole grain, produce, things that help you to feel full are going to also be to your advantage. So consider the overall cost of the food choices that you make. It can totally be affordable. It's definitely worth it in the cost that you save for your health. So take all those things into consideration. Thanks.